The weather is so gloomy and still the snow has not melted, and you can see snow near the garages. So people don't like to park in their garages because it's very slippery and there's a black ice all over. So nobody likes to park in the garages because already one lady had fallen and she had a very big fall. She was in the hospital, so nobody likes to go out in the garages. So you can see I didn't even get my parking nearby. It's so hard and it's so much of snow. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Again, it's a very gloomy morning and things are becoming really cold outside. It's colder outside and not good temperatures. It's only 27 or 26 degrees. It's very cold and I hope you all are keeping warm, and mornings are the times where you don't feel like waking up right what time you put the alarm, but kiddos have to go to school, so we all have to wake up at the same time, so it's so hard and not so good. And I'm having little dry eyes, so I don't know, I didn't want to apply any eyeliner, so you'll be finding my face too plain today, but I just don't want to apply and make my eyes go bad and showing that it's coming out my eyeliner. So I'm going to not apply any eyeliner. You might be feeling that I must have cried or I didn't have a good night's sleep, but nothing like that. So I'm all right, and but my eyes are looking little strained today. So friends, I was going to make some nice healthy breakfast, and it this type of tortillas has very good wholesome lentils and spinach and very good qualities because it's already flavored food. And we had this for dinner last night, and we children didn't want to have the repeated things. And when you make these kinds of tortillas, no friends, they are very flavorful, very filling, and I like to eat only a good breakfast. And sometimes I think that, oh, because I'm eating such a heavy breakfast or lunch, then I don't eat fruits, and fruits are so important, so I just prefer that have a good heavy breakfast. And they say that have a breakfast like a king, lunch little lighter, and dinner like a pauper. But I feel we should have a very good breakfast, have a good chai cup with it, and eat a heavy breakfast. And lunch you can have some fruit, some banana, some apple, pineapple, grapes, name it, whatever you like it. Actually, I'm in my house, I have some apples and some bananas, so and some pomegranates, so I try to get 4 or 5 fruits and mix and match every day. So let's come into my kitchen, friends, and I'll show you how I make these lentils tortillas. They are even called as mesi ka paratha, and leftover dal tortillas. And it's very easy and it's very flavorful, very nutritious. Nobody will know what is inside the tortilla because you have mixed it up so well. You have made a very good, perfect dough. And let's get into my kitchen. This is the spinach and lentils which I had made yesterday, and I'm left out with it. And now I'll just knead the whole wheat flour in this and make lentils flour tortillas. I'm adding this this lentils and spinach, and I'll make it into a nice dough. So I just gave a rinse to my bowl, and I've added very little water because there's enough moisture for this. There's enough moisture for me to make this knead well and make it into a good dough. So now I'm adding slowly, little by little, the water so that it doesn't become too much liquidy, and your dough doesn't stay in good kneading this one dough. So friends, here I've kneaded it so well, it'll of course stick to your fingers little bit, but it's all good. Just see it, friends. Now we'll just cover it and keep it in one container, and we'll use it after 2 or 3 hours. I'll just keep it for 2 hours in the fridge, and I'll make some tortillas, and this tastes the best. So here I have put it in the container. Now after 2 hours for dinner, I'll make the tortillas. So here I'm making medium sized balls. I'll just make some and keep it because it will become easy to make the tortillas. Here I have added half spoon of salt and half spoon of chili powder, and over here I'm adding some carom seed. I'm crushing it well. It will give a good flavor, and then I'll mix it all together and so here I'm making into a small size tortilla now, and I'll show you how to make triangle tortillas and designs tortillas where the kiddos will love it. So I've made this mixture of here of salt and carom seeds. Just put some, and you can make it into a triangle tortilla, and the kiddos will love this shape also, and it will give layers because we have already formed it into a good shape. So this is how we make triangle shape, and I can smell garlic from here because we had added some pureed garlic, and you can see the seeds coming out because we have put carom seeds. So now I'm tilting it upside down. So I'm tilting it again, and we got a good brown spots over here. Now we'll add half a spoon of oil, and we'll keep cooking, and it will give a nice toasted flavor tortilla. These are nice lentil tortillas with good flavor. Now the tortilla is cooked so well. Here's the tortilla. You can have it with any dip or yogurt, and this is how it is. Or you can just roll it and have the first bite. So friends, it was so easy, nice, yummy. I enjoy my tortillas this way instead of eating very heavy and oily breakfast. This is nice because it's whole wheat flour. You have the lentils in it. You can put so many pastes in it, like ginger garlic paste, and put all kinds of flavor. You can put chili flakes in it, put cilantro in it, put whatever seasonings you like. You can just add it and add into very good consistency, friends. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and this can be eaten in breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and these make very good lunch boxes for the kids. Just make it in the morning, roll it up in an aluminum foil or towel, and pack them in their tiffin. They will love it, friends. And then give some cut slices of apple, some grapes. They make their whole lunch go good. And this is how it is, so filling and nice. And I'm so happy people are following my recipes and sharing all the things and asking me small good things. So like I have a nice subscriber who had asked me about mustard seeds. So mustard seeds are good for tampering, Angela, and mustard powder, you can add it in spices, in lentils, in tortillas and all. So Angela, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and thank you for asking and sharing all the good recipe. My friends, you're like my family who are all getting connected, and you're asking me questions. I love it. So keep watching and keep sending your love like this only on me. It's so good that everybody is connecting to me over here, Facebook, Instagram. So you can get connected with me on all the three medias because I'm there in every social media over there. And TikTok response is overwhelming. I get so much of friends requests and all. And friends, let me know if you all want me to come live on YouTube. I'll make time, and just let me know what time of the day suits you, whether morning, afternoon, evening, or night. I would love to come live and share good things over there. You can ask me regarding anything about facials, about beauty, and what I use. somebody wanted to ask me how many earrings do I have. So I have one, two, three, four, and I have four piercings. So this is how it looks, and I have four, and these are gold earrings which I had bought it from India, and this is from Kohl's, I guess. Yeah. So I have four piercings. So I loved it, and I had made it in when I was growing up, when I was in my 12th grade. In India, we don't say grade and all, we say 12th class, first year of our degree, and 3 years of degree, and it is called bachelor's. And of year after that, if you do, it's called master's. It's same even in US also, but over here they say first grade to 12th grade or 11th grade, and they have different things to say, but over there we used to say first PUC, second PUC, and all that. So things are different, but as you all know, I have been in this country from 21 years, so now it's become like half and half. I sometimes use those terms from India, sometimes I use the terms which are used in US, so it's a little confusion, but I rectify myself very soon, and when I'm talking, I fumble off because I just don't prepare what I'm going to talk to you all. I just come and I talk, and I just share what is in my mind, my heart, and going on. And okay, friends, if I sit over here, I can keep talking and talking. So take care of yourselves. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Sending you lots of love. Bye. I forgot to say, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thanks for watching again, guys. I love you all. Let me know when you want to me to come live, and I can set up a time. Thank you. Bye.